Alright, we're going to put the flywheel back on this thing here. We tighten up all the bolts except for the magneto. And just do that till you get it on there. Got the key back in it. It takes a 13/16. Oh, let's see if we can get this thing. Just like it. And we'll turn it. Alright, that's where the opening is. Turn it, make sure it don't hit nothing. Everything spins. Alright. Set the time. Let's see. So let's get it in there. So when checking trip point of coupling, take a firm hold of the flywheel moving slowly so you do not pass the point of the actual trip. Never allow magneto impulse coupling to trip before DC because of the possibility of engine kickback when starting. So this is where we need to be, but not really. So we're going to roll it until we get 3 3/16 from dead center, which is on the flange here. So there's 3 and let's see, 1, 2, 3/16. So DC needs to be, that's the flange. DC needs to go back a little bit. 3/16, that's pretty close right there and in line with that. So we're gonna leave that there. And we're going to align. Oh, I got tore a little bit. I think it'll be alright. So then we're going to line this mark with the flange also. Should be about right in there. I think. Am I doing that right? Hold on. I've done the other one. Center line marked. View of manual. So turn that again. So 25 degrees from east to west. Try it like that and see. I don't remember exactly how the other one went, truth be known. Let's see, we're going to have to do this like that. Makes it easier. They meshing. Alright, let's see. That would be, this is dead center coming up, and that's about where it snaps, even with dead center there. One more time. This is where the gets right there and it snaps. So that should be okay. Alright, so that will about do it for this one for now. I've got to get the valves timed, got to get a feeler gauge yet, a spark plug, the spark plug wire, excuse me. I got some plugs that I just come with my new engine. I just got, you'll see that video later, and a freeze plug. Spark plug wire, possible spark plug, feeler gauge for the valves, freeze plug, and fix the gas tank and the carburetor. We're going in the process of just making something. I will have to buy one for that tank, for that engine, and the one I just got one already. So, and then old LA over there, that's going to need a lot more work. So we're gonna work on it later. Just getting this LB going. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.